Email marketing has been around forever, and for good reason. It's the most direct and effective way of connecting with your leads, nurturing them, and turning them into customers, consistently winning out over all the marketing channels. What's up, guys? I am Sandeep, and you're watching Toovel. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy based on sending emails and developing relationships with the prospects and customers. Effective marketing emails convert prospect into the customer and turn one-time buyers into loyal, raving fans. Modern email marketing has moved away from one-size-fits-all mass mailing and instead focuses on consistent segmentation and personalization. You might ask, is email marketing dead? It sometimes seems like email is long past its prime with all artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and chatbots. But if you think email is dead, you are likely missing out on the real metrics. The truth. Email marketing is still going strong today and is possibly the best possible strategy for your business. Data from 2017 shows that the most people are on email, about 85% of adult internet users in the US. That beats out the search engines by 15% and social media by 22%. Not small numbers in an industry that gets excited over single-digit conversion rate improvements. Importance of email marketing. Despite the rise of the social media and an unsolicited spam email, which is never a good marketing strategy, email remains the most effective way to nurture leads and boost customer loyalty. There are many reasons you should make email marketing one of your top priorities. But here are the top 4. First, email is the number one communication channel. At least 99% of the consumers check their email on a daily basis. That can be said of any other communication channels like social media platforms. Number 2. You own your list. On any social media platform, your account along with all your fans and posts could be suspended or deleted at any time for any reason without notice. However, you own your email list. Once you added someone on your list, no one can take those leads away from you. From there, it will work as an asset for your whole life. Number 3. Email just converts better. People who buy products marketed through email spend 138% more than those who do not receive email offers. In fact, email marketing has an ROI returns on investment of 4,400%. That's huge. And if you are wondering if social media converts even better. Number 4. Email is most cost effective. When you want to communicate something about your brand or sell your stuff, email marketing is one of the most cost effective ways to do so. In fact, a 2015 study by the DMA found that for every $1 spent, email has an average $38 return on investment. ROI or return on investment is a ratio between the net profit and cost of investment. When shoppers are ready to buy something, they often look for emails from their favorite stores. Email is simply the best way to make sales online. What is email list? An email list is a collection of emails that you have received through your blog or website. It's a collection of email addresses used by an individual or an organization to send weekly newsletters, resources, or marketing materials to multiple recipients. In simple terms, an email list refers to the total amount of subscribers you have, which basically is a synonym to the mailing list or the subscribers list. What makes an email list valuable? As I said earlier, the email has much high ROI. It is often enough to make most people adopt email marketing. There are more reasons that should make list building a priority. Email allows for more personalization. When emails are collected organically, businesses know that the individual is interested in their product and or the industry. And depending on the sign-up processes alongside other metrics, these subscribers can be further segmented into different email lists so that email marketing becomes more personalized. Email keeps things professional. Even though many businesses are currently using social media, email is still the preferred method to reach out the support teams. Aside from that, connecting through email is also considered to be more professional when it comes to the requests, complaints, partnership, and other reasons. Finally, when it comes to the product promotion, platforms like Instagram or Facebook will not get as much attention as the personalized emails, since there are large volume of automated and spammy messages. Different types of email list. Giving a simple answer to the question what is email list will not get you far. It's important to understand the different types of lists and how this functions best. An email list can be built, obtained, or retained for campaigns. Building an email list. There are three main points to look out for when building an organic list. These are in no particular order. Quality. You want to make sure that your email go to real people who regularly check their emails. Relevance. Your subscribers should belong in your niche and show an interest in your industry. Volume. All throughout the process of building your list, keep in mind that the frequency of your email campaigns has to retain the same. Changing the volumes as your email list grows can have a negative effect on your key metrics. Renting an email list. Another option that is mostly used by the companies looking to promote their products is to rent an email list. When it comes to this particular method, you will never receive an actual copy of the rented email list. What this means is you never get to see the email addresses you are about to send your campaign to. Instead, the owner of the list is responsible for delivering your emails. Adding to that, list renting will sometimes offer additional exposure as you may be featured as sponsor or partner in the renter newsletter to the list. Buying an email list. You can also buy an email list. The list of the addresses you receive will contain people that have never heard of you and your brand and may very well not be interested in your product. Except for very low open rate and minimal CTR, using broad email list can quickly lead to an increased spam score, which can be devastating for your business. Not to mention the legal trouble you could face along the way. The worst part of bot email list is they simply don't work because they are overused, they don't have permission, they do not contain good quality email addresses, and sending to the third party list is a bad email marketing practice. So you can either build an email list, rent an email list, or buy an email list, which is not recommended. From there, it's all about testing to find out which method works best for you and your brand. Now it's your turn to go and build your email list. If you have been ignoring email marketing, it might be the time to re-evaluate your strategy. Today, email marketing is delivering huge returns for marketers willing to get started with it. It does not have to complicate it. You will want to follow through with the promises you make, provide people what they ask for, and email on regular basis that lines up with their expectations. There is no formula for this. It's all about what works best for you and your company's voice and style. And finally, you can move on the segmentation and analytics once you have mastered the basics. Start sending separate types of emails to different groups of people and always be improving. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now.